Hello guys! Right. Mahina po signal po natin. Kaya para sa inyo to mga supporter ko, sa mga followers ko, kakantahin ko kayo lahat. And maraming salamat po at lagi kayo sumaybay sa aking mga live. Thank you. At ngayon, magla-live stream muna tayo ngayon habang hindi pa kami gumagawa ng videos. Kaya ngayon, kakantahin muna kayo. Okay, guys.
Lately, I've been reading bottles left and right. Even shoulders and get going in the fight. People say that I am easy, I'm strong beyond my years. They don't see inside of me, I'm hiding all the tears.